See this tree? It normally has lights in it. I have no decorations out at all for Halloween. So happy Halloween. I was uninspired to do anything for Halloween after 2 hurricanes came through, and I'm like, if I put my decorations up, what if another storm comes? And so I was completely unmotivated. I don't even have candy in the house. However, I was just watching some YouTube videos and I came across Elise Meyer's video of her dancing in a trash bag. And I loved it so much that I've all of a sudden become inspired to not only decorate for Halloween and go get some candy for the kids, but to dress up like her. So come along for this, I don't know, wild Halloween adventure. I think I could work with this. I added some sparkly boots since I will be outside. I like it. Now outside to finish with the decorations. Okay, so I have a question for you. We just started sitting outside waiting for the kids for trick-or-treating. You've been home from your business trip for 2 hours. Have you noticed that I'm wearing a trash bag?
No, I actually have not noticed.
He hasn't even noticed. Yes, honey, I am wearing a trash bag. I'll show you my inspiration in a second. I think that's hilarious.
There's inspiration behind you wearing a trash bag?
There's total inspiration. Her name is Elise Myers, and she's fabulous. All right, going to give you a quick tour of what I put up, literally probably within a half an hour. I only pulled out some of the decorations. Some of the lights weren't working, so they got chucked. Thanksgiving will stay up, so I'll keep them up. You can't even really tell what Snoopy is. He's supposed to be a bat. And then this is the other one that says Happy Thanksgiving. He's a little scarecrow, so I'll leave him up too. Back over here, we got some other orange lights. And these are green ones with bats on them. And that's it. These will stay up probably until November, and then Hanukkah. Then the blue and white goes up. And that is going to do it for Halloween. We've got kids coming up to the table. I don't want to put them on camera, obviously. It was a lot of fun putting this together. And I was motivated from the video this morning. And dancing was fun, even though I look like a dork, but that's fine. And yeah, so happy Halloween. And thank you for tuning into the wonderful world of Wendy. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. Give me a big thumbs up. And I'll see you on my next adventure, which will be Disney. I'll be editing that video. So stay tuned. Okay, this is really funny. A PS, I keep walking back and forth, and Evan's like, do you smell garbage? I smell garbage. I'm like, well, I just brought something out to the street, but the top's open. He goes, no, but I just keep smelling garbage. I'm like, I'm wearing a trash bag that's scented. That's what it was. It was very funny. All right, goodbye.